What's up, puzzle gang? Welcome back to another Puzzle Wanderer video. Today we're gonna solve the Mittan puzzle by Junichi Yananose. This puzzle is a sequential discovery puzzle box shaped like a kitty. And the goal is to find all the steps of the puzzle box and access a hidden compartment with a bell and a fish snack for the cat. The designer and manufacturer of this puzzle, Juno, is extremely talented at crafting puzzles. His puzzles are usually extremely rare as he produces them once only and then doesn't sell them anymore. I won't have any links for you guys today, but I will solve the puzzle with you in front of the camera. So let's start solving it right now. And let's begin the solution. So first things, I can see that the nose is moving a bit. And now it's locked. And now it's moving again. And now it's locked again. Okay. Looks like there's a magnet inside, and also this ear seems connected somehow to the nose, and also this ear somehow moves. Oh, cool. I moved it a little bit inside. Oh, now the eye moved. And now, whoa, what? Now I can move the nose to this direction. Such a funny cat. And now I can pull this ear, the right ear. Can I maybe move this? No. Oh, released. Nice. Wow, look at that. So intricate. So intricate. So there's been a few moves here. Whoa, you can see some pins inside. Hopefully you can see them. Wow, that's such a beautiful puzzle. I can't believe it. Okay, now probably I need to somehow remove this part of the puzzle. So now I'm not able to do anything here. Oh, but I can remove this eye. Okay. Did it block anything? I'm not sure. It was magnetized like so. Or maybe opposite. Like that. Okay. Oh, I can actually release this a little. Check this out. Nose goes out a bit. Interesting. Cannot push it from here. But yeah, the eye is problematic since I cannot remove this ear when the eye is inside. So probably I won't need the eye for now. The ear was here. Okay. So yeah, the trick to remove this is to push this here and then remove the eye. But then I have some questions. For example, what do I do with this? Can I remove something here? Asking the right questions should give me the right answers. Doesn't seem like anything gets pressed. Oh, there has been a magnet here. Okay, just discovered this new tool. But what can I do with it? Looks like a paw of sorts. Now let's try to pull this up and then open the drawer. Nope. That's cool. Well, now I know there's a magnet here. I wonder if I can somehow put this piece back inside. Ah, no, it's impossible thanks to the spin. Okay. Okay. I'll need to use my secret weapon. That is my flashlight. Don't see anything too crazy here. Instead of maybe, there's something to magnetize here. For some reason I can't put the eye inside anymore. So maybe I did release something here. Yeah, there should be something here that I've just released. There's a few red flags, I can say, in this puzzle. For example, here's a notch inside the eye that seems useless. Seems like there's no use to this notch, but if it's there, like, why is it there? It must have some use actually. I can see a small magnet inside the ear, but I have nothing to do with it. Look, here is a hole. Through this hole here, I don't think you can see it, there's a magnet. And probably if I repel this magnet somehow, then it will help me release the ear that I need to release so much. Because of this notch, I'm thinking there's probably something even deeper inside of this part, but on the other hand, I don't think I can fully remove the nose. The biggest question is, how is everything interconnected? Because there's really no real way to know. Oh, this was actually a tool, I could remove it. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Now we can roll with this, I think. Actually, it gives me some options. I pressed something. I think I pressed it. Let's go! Okay, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. There was this magnet, actually magnetized this part to the side. Just insane, guys. This is insanity. Okay, I probably overthought it a lot, but that's good. So now that this is removed, I can probably go ahead and move this here and press it and release this. Okay, so I can, first of all, guys, this is an ingenious mechanism. This also looks like a possible magnet, right? The spring, the screw here can actually magnetize something. Yeah, it can magnetize something. Smart trick. Hopefully you can see the screw, so I can also use that. And let's try it again. This time I'm pulling. Let's go! Nice, I was right. But oh, whoa, look at that. And here we go. This is the small snack. This is the small snack. We solved it. That was the final compartment. And here is the bell of the cat. Super nice. What a puzzle, guys. What a puzzle. It took us a little less than an hour to solve the whole puzzle. And while I'm putting everything back together, please like and subscribe to this channel to see more insanely good puzzles like this one.